DoorDash offers 3 reliable methods to reset your password in 2025. Whether you remember your current password or have forgotten it completely, there's a solution that works for your situation. The first method is perfect when you know your current password. Navigate to Account Settings, then Security, and select Change Password. You'll need to enter your current password and your new password twice for confirmation. If you've forgotten your current password, use the Forgot Password link on the login screen. Enter your registered email or phone number to receive a verification code, then follow the instructions to create a new password. The verification process is fast and secure. You'll receive a 6-digit code via SMS or email within 2 to 3 minutes. Enter this code to verify your identity and proceed with creating your new password. For compromised accounts or technical issues, DoorDash provides 24/7 customer support. They'll verify your identity using your order history and can issue a temporary password within 15 minutes to restore access to your account. Choose the method that fits your situation: in-app reset for known passwords, forgot password for unknown passwords, or customer support for compromised accounts. All methods are designed to get you back into your DoorDash account quickly and securely. DoorDash has significantly enhanced its password security requirements in 2025 to better protect user accounts from cyber threats. A strong DoorDash password must be at least 12 characters long, though 16 or more characters are recommended for maximum security. Your password must include a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols to meet DoorDash's security standards. Avoid using personal information, common words, or sequential patterns in your password, as these make your account vulnerable to attacks. DoorDash now supports major password managers like 1Password, LastPass, and Bitwarden, making it much easier to create and store complex, unique passwords. For optimal security, especially if you use DoorDash frequently, consider updating your password every 90 days to stay ahead of potential security threats. As of early 2025, DoorDash requires two-factor authentication for all new accounts and strongly encourages existing users to enable this critical security feature. Remember, a strong password combined with two-factor authentication provides the best protection for your DoorDash account and personal information.